Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to create app services on Azure Cloud. It is equivalent to Elastic Beanstalk on AWS. By using app services and Elastic Beanstalk, we can create, build, and deploy web applications. So let's get started. It is not a sketch video, it is continuation video of Azure Cloud playlist. This playlist I will provide in description of this video. Go to portal.azure.com/as homepage. It will redirect to Azure Cloud homepage. Now go to all services, general. In general, here one resource groups are there. Read about description. Resource groups provide a logical container to manage and organize Azure resources, simplifying administration and enabling efficient resource management. So click on this. So create subscription free trial resource group my app RG region default only. I am not changing. Next create validation passed. So go to all services, compute. In compute here, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, serverless and microservices, high performing computing, hybrid cloud. See, if microservices are there, we need to deploy an container apps or function app is equal to Lambda function in AWS. Kubernetes services, it is equivalent to ECS, Elastic Container Service, container apps environment, Kubernetes services. So now click on app services. See, description of app services: create, build, deploy, and manage powerful web, mobile, and API apps for employees or customers using a single backend. Build standards based web apps and APIs using .NET, Java, Node.js, PHP, and Python. Click this one. Create. I'm choosing web app first option. So subscription, pre-trial, resource group, my app -rg. Instant details, name is the unique name. So I am giving a first day interview guide. So if you are get any red mark kind of, then change the name. It is expecting unique name, publisher code, runtime stack. I am selecting Java, multiple are there like .NET, Java, Node, PHP, Python. I am selecting Java 17 version, Java web server stack, embedded, multiple servers are there like Red Hat, JBoss, Apache Tomcat, two are there. I'm selecting embedded web server region. So Canada Center. This I am not changing. So next database. If you want to add database, enable it and select the engine server name, database name. So I'm not selecting this one. Next deployment. If you want to GitHub Actions, this is the GitHub Actions. Set up GitHub Actions, GitHub and Azure or Microsoft. So it is added here. If you want to enable deployment, GitHub, we need to authorize our GitHub. Then organization, we need to select repository. After that branch, we need to select here. So this is the GitHub workflow configurations. Basic authentication, disabled, right? Enable it. Networking. Next, monitor and secure. These many the tabs are there, right? Basic, database, deployment, networking, monitor and secure, tags, review and create. After these are completed, then only web app will be created. Next, this is the monitor and secure. Next, review and create. Like if you are not changing any one of the tab, then you can straight away create, review and create. Like go to just review and create. So these are the details. Like we have selected subscription type, resource group name. This is the publisher, runtime stack, Java server stack, like that. These are the details created. First, it will be initializing deployment. After that, submitting the deployment. Next, deployment is in progress. This is three stages to it will create the app services. Not only app services, if you are creating virtual machine also, it will take 3 stages. Let's wait some time. So this process will be completed. If any errors, this process will be failed, then we will check which kind of errors we are getting. See, status all are okay. So this is the app services name, app first interview guide. So these many are created. So once successfully created app services, then we can go to app services and we can check what are the options are there in app services. You can also check here notification, progress, resource group, post were created, resource group. This is deployment now, deployment in progress. If you want to refresh it, so deployment is in progress. Refresh. See your deployment is completed. Go to resource, then it will be we will go to the web apps. These are the web app. This is the web apps name. So these are the options. So the essential component encountered and error while loading. So it is still deployment not yet completed. Web apps, let's check it is deployment completed or not. See, it is running name, first interview guide, app services. This is some plan, basic, pricing. This is the location running. Click on this. So close this notification tab. See here, this is the name. This is the overview. So this is the deployment source, deployment center. These are the settings, environmental variable, configuration, authentication, identity backup. These many are there. Here performance, load testing, something is there. App service plan, development tools, API management, nothing but this is the gateway in AWS, API gateway. CORS, if your application is like front-end services like Angular, React is interacting, then we need to enable monitoring, like we can check health checks. If you want to deploy, then we need to select these many options are there. GitHub, Git bucket, local Git, Azure repos, external Git, manual deployment, these many. So thank you for watching. In this video, we have successfully understand how to create app services on Azure Cloud. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.